In Carencro, Louisiana, homeowners are no strangers to the challenges of hot, humid weather. While the lush environment is part of the area's charm, it can take a toll on your home, especially your doors. Traditional wooden doors, or outdated models not designed for humidity, often swell, warp, or allow moisture inside. This doesn't just compromise comfort, it also reduces energy efficiency and increases the risk of mold or rot. That's why investing in weather-resistant door installation is one of the smartest steps Carencro homeowners can take to protect their property and enhance daily comfort. Why weather resistance matters in Carencro. Humidity and heavy rainfall are common in southern Louisiana, and doors are among the first parts of the home to show the impact. When doors aren't designed to handle moisture, homeowners may face warping and swelling. Wooden doors expand, making them hard to open or close. Peeling finishes. Paint and stain often bubble and chip in damp climates. Drafts and leaks. Moisture weakens seals, letting in warm, damp air. Higher energy bills. Poor insulation forces your cooling system to work harder. Weather-resistant doors are built with materials and finishes that withstand moisture, reduce wear, and provide long-lasting performance even in Carencro's humid climate. Top weather-resistant door options. Fiberglass doors. Fiberglass doors are one of the best choices for humid regions like Carencro. They mimic the look of real wood but resist swelling, rotting, or warping. Plus, they can be customized with a variety of stains, colors, and panel styles to suit any home design. Benefits include superior moisture resistance, low maintenance, no frequent repainting required, high energy efficiency with insulated cores. Steel doors. Steel doors provide excellent durability and strength, making them ideal for homeowners seeking both security and weather resistance. With modern coatings and insulated cores, today's steel doors are less prone to rust than older models. Benefits include excellent protection against drafts, long lifespan with minimal upkeep, great insulation when paired with proper weather stripping. Vinyl or composite doors. Vinyl and composite doors combine synthetic materials that resist moisture, insects, and rot. These options are particularly useful for side or back doors exposed to heavy rainfall. Benefits include budget-friendly without sacrificing durability, resistant to mold and mildew, easy to clean and maintain, proper weather stripping and seals. No matter the door type, professional installation with high-quality weather stripping is essential. A well-sealed door prevents humid air from sneaking inside, reducing mold risks and keeping cooling costs down. Additional features for Carencro homes. When choosing weather-resistant doors, consider features designed to maximize comfort and protection. Low-E glass inserts. For doors with windows, low-E coatings block heat and UV rays. Impact resistance. A smart option for areas prone to storms or strong winds. Moisture-resistant finishes. Factory-applied coatings protect against humidity and extend the life of your door. The importance of professional installation. Even the most durable, weather-resistant door won't perform properly if it isn't installed correctly. Professional installers ensure tight seals and proper alignment for maximum energy efficiency. Correct flashing and thresholds to prevent water intrusion. Compliance with building codes and local climate conditions. DIY installation often leads to gaps, leaks, or premature wear, costing you more in the long run. Final thoughts for Carencro homeowners. Weather-resistant doors aren't just a luxury, they're a necessity. With humidity, rain, and heat constantly at play, investing in fiberglass, steel, or composite doors can make your home more comfortable, efficient, and secure. When paired with expert installation, these doors not only withstand Louisiana's climate but also add long-lasting value and beauty to your home. If you're ready to upgrade, consult with a local professional to explore the best door installation options for Carencro's humid climate. The right door will save you money, improve comfort, and give you peace of mind no matter what the weather brings.